Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by collecting 3 essentials: total hours worked, paid idle hours, and the standard labor time per unit. Compute standard time allowed for actual output. Multiply units produced by standard hours per unit. Once done, separate productive hours from idle hours by subtracting productive time from total paid hours. Make sure to use consistent units and the same period for budgeted versus actual figures. This prevents timing mismatches that distort the variance. You now convert hours into cost. Multiply idle hours by the actual wage rate to get actual idle cost. Next, determine budgeted idle cost using budgeted idle hours or a budgeted idle rate applied to standard labor cost. Once both costs exist, subtract budgeted idle cost from actual idle cost to get the idle time variance. Remember that a positive result is unfavorable. It means you spent more than planned on idle time, and a negative result is favorable. You finish by dissecting the variance. Allocate it to departments, shifts, or processes to find repeatable causes like downtime, training, or bottlenecks. Once identified, prioritize fixes such as schedule optimization or cross-training. If the variance repeats, update budgeted idle assumptions or standard times. Make sure to reconcile numbers, double-check wage rates, units produced, and period alignment. If figures still look off, the key troubleshooting tip is to re-verify hour classification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.